Hey everyone, so we have a very important update today. Not only is Shiba Inu expanding more than ever, the most important thing we're seeing right now is some massive changes for SHIB. Did you know that nearly 60 centralized exchanges support trading with SHIB today? SHIB Army. Yeah, but what is SHIB good for? Can you buy anything at all with it? A piece of gum, a bottle of water, anything? And people are speculating. Is Shiba Inu good or is it bad? What's going on, everyone? Be sure to drop a like. But anywhere in the world, any plans to be able to? And SHIB Informer replied, in some places you can. However, for full worldwide adoption, which if they're reaching that would be massive, we have yet to solve some important challenges. Read this article if you want to learn more, but we can see that the future adoption is coming and it's going to be a long path. Now, SHIB Informer made a long statement. You know, it's already happening in Venezuela. They already are accepting Shiba Inu, and we can see so many companies actually doing that. But for going worldwide, it will take time. For getting accepted as legal tender is not easy, but things are happening right now, and decentralization is true. And what we're getting is its own blockchain, and I keep saying this to everyone. This blockchain will allow to have zero or very low transaction fees and will allow the trade of small and cheap items in the blockchain. And of course, we also require the continuous development of the SHIB ecosystem tools to allow people to perform these transactions in the easiest way possible. So big changes are going to be happening. We are going to be seeing some countries accepting cryptocurrency in the future. El Salvador is not going to be the only country that accepts cryptocurrency. I think there's going to be a lot more countries like that. And I think Shiba Inu could be one of those coins that actually says, all right, I'll just go for it and accept it. So what we're seeing so far, Venezuela is an exemplary case for crypto. We should look how closely this use becomes more and more popular there. So going through here, Venezuela is a great example at how cryptocurrency will change the world. And even for Shiba Inu, you can see the big adoption already over here. And that's what I'm pretty excited for. You know, changes are happening. You just can't see it. People think Shiba Inu is a scam. It has no uses. But it actually does have uses. It changes people's lives. You know, people are selling their food for Shiba Inu, and I think that's super exciting to see. But if we check over here, new report places United States atop of crypto-ready countries, and I think that's a very important thing not a lot of people are talking about. The US leads the world in Bitcoin ATMs, and the number one is growing rapidly. So they're having more and more crypto ATMs, and if they accept Shiba Inu, Ethereum, and USD, basically, if they accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and every single other cryptocurrency, that would massively spike up the prices. And yes, right now it's only speculation, but it seems like it's happening more and more. The United States is the world's most crypto-ready country, according to new research published by crypto education platform CryptoHead. CryptoHead's 2021 Crypto Ready Index considered the number of crypto ATMs in each country and their accessibility, the legality of crypto, and whether banks can use it, and the number of online searches for crypto-related terms in calculating a crypto-ready index for 200 countries and territories. The United States ranked first with a crypto-ready score of 7.13 out of 10. Cyprus ranked second and Singapore third, both scoring under 6.5. So if United States is 7 out of 10, that's really exciting news to get, you know, that crypto action in. But according to data collected by CryptoHead, the US has 17,000 crypto ATMs. Imagine when we get to 200,000, what will happen with Bitcoin's price. Obviously, yes, these changes are happening very slow. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it to you. We're still in very early stages, and Bitcoin and Shiba Inu is surely a very big niche right now. But the number is growing rapidly in the US as Bitcoin ATM companies like CoinCloud rapidly expand as installations nationwide. So the changes are happening both slow and fast. So for the government to accept Bitcoin, we still might be 10 years away from the US actually taking action. But never say never. It could be, you know, as early as 2023, 2024. The rise underscores Bitcoin's increasing popularity as a means of payment, and it's happening. You know, I don't think Bitcoin is going to be used as payment as much as it's going to be an asset, but the next big thing is probably going to be Ethereum and Shiba Inu, because it's going to be on its own blockchain. Alongside the number of ATMs, CryptoHead also looked at the number of people per ATM. So how many people actually use the ATMs? And I think that's a big thing. Imagine if you withdraw like 50 SHIB and you get like $5,000. That would be crazy. But of course, you would get a bit, you would have to deposit a bit more SHIB for that. The United States placed third here as well with crypto ATM for every 20,000 people, compared to Canada's second place of ratio of 1 ATM for every 26,000. So for every person using crypto, 1 ATM is being used by 20,000 people. Japan ranked last with a single Bitcoin ATM for its 126 million people, and Japan still has no Bitcoin ATMs. That's simply crazy. And 24 countries don't not have a crypto ATM, so there's so much more potential for people to discover cryptocurrency. Crypto had also awarded the US and 39 countries with particularly favorable legal environments for crypto a maximum 2 points, 1 point if crypto was legal to own, and 1 point if it was allowed to be used in banks. So that's the best thing about it. US is not cracking down on crypto yet, or they're not going to be cracking down at all. And crypto is ranked first with nearly 34,000 crypto searches for every 100,000 people, and I think that's because a lot of people from cryptos actually invest because they're super rich, they're living on their island, and they invest into cryptocurrency, and almost 137% increase from the year before. So cryptocurrency is growing at an alarming rate. Look at this. Romania saw the largest year-on-year increase in cryptocurrency searches, and the same thing is happening. Bitcoin's weekend price bounce fade even as exchange balance drops, and what we see so far is more price analysis. So the Italy has dropped by more than 25,000. The tally has dropped by more than 25,000 Bitcoin in 2 weeks, meaning fewer Bitcoin are now available for sale compared with the second half of June. Investors typically take direct custody of their Bitcoins with expecting a price rise or aiming to generate an extra yield by tokenizing the cryptocurrency on Ethereum's blockchain. Furthermore, that's not the only sign wealthy investors are stepping up for bargain hunting, and so the odds appear stacked in the favor of bulls, especially as the dollar is trading weak in the cryptocurrency markets despite Friday's upbeat of the US employment data. And the greenback may suffer a more profound drop if minutes of the Fed's June meeting. So in June, we're going to be having, basically we're July right now, but we're going to be seeing a lot more. There's going to be many more things that you might not know of. So we are having a lot of things behind the scenes, but exchange balance rose in April and early May. Bitcoin fell by 35% in May, and it's been lowest since May 2016. So we can see here balance on exchanges, all exchanges Bitcoin, and here they did not have as many exchanges, and basically here they have a lot of Bitcoin so far. So if you did not understand me, just read the title. Bitcoin's weekend price bounce fades even as exchange balances drop. So that's some good news, okay? But Binance disappointed by Barclays' unilateral action to block customer payments, and we can see over here that they blocked the payments over. And I have been checking Binance regularly, especially Binance US, and they've been getting a lot of complaints about this, and we finally have more news on this. We take our compliance obligations very seriously, and we are committed to working collaboratively with regulators to shape policies that protect customers, encourage innovation, and move our industry forwards. So Binance is still going to be working with countries. I think, a lot of this is just FUD. The crackdown is only going to be temporary so far. But Binance said it welcomes open dialogue with Barclays to discuss the matter further. And Binance has been caught in regulatory crossfire as of late, and multiple countries have actually cracked down, with several jurisdictions around the world taking strict measures to limit exchange operations. Over the past 2 weeks, financial regulators in Japan and United Kingdom have warned users about Binance's regulatory status in their respective countries. Meanwhile, Binance announced it will no longer operate in Canadian province of Ontario, and after regulators there implemented stricter regulations targeting cryptocurrency exchanges. So Binance is having a crackdown, but should you be worried? No, we still have Coinbase. Binance is obviously the main in the market, and it's, a rainy day for Binance, but there's still going to be other exchanges. There's always demand for new exchanges overall, and this is not over for Binance. Binance is probably going to be stronger than ever as soon as they comply with such regulations, but they've been cracking down on Binance pretty much hard, but this definitely tells you we are making a step forward for Shiba Inu right now. So thank you so much for watching this. We have SHIB ATMs pretty much soon in US. We have them in Cyprus. We have them everywhere, and that's what's really exciting to me. Until next time, peace everyone.